Ito na. Ito ang sinasabi nila.
Welcome to Team Rainbow Specialist. Call me Zero. I'll be putting you through your paces to ensure mission readiness. Follow the objective marker to the first station. We'll get started.
Maganda ito. Tingnan nyo lang. Push to move lang ito. Very basic lang, no? Mga kapaibigan. Mga lodi, let's do it. Sinong araw? Sinong araw? Yan, no? Patay mo na yan.
The station is just over to your right.
To the right daw. Slave na to the right. Yun. Tapos hindi nyo naman ulit. Forward sprint. Push forward to sprint. Mabilis yun. Tapos kabila. Ayun. Ayun. Dito daw.
Let's start with the basics. Warm up by shooting that dummy. Hostile down. Now, reload your mag.
Relay sa baba.
You can aim down your sights to fire more accurately. Give it a try.
Let's try accurate. Aim muna daw. Aim muna. Aim. Yan. Aim yun. Aim. Tapos pira ng yun. I-aim daw muna. Handa sa inyo. Ito first kill. Second kill. Third kill. Patay ka. To shoot allows you to fire the enemies that enter in.
Focus your aim on the next target. Your instincts will handle the rest.
Oh, yun! So kung gusto niyo may toggle option, manual shoot or auto shoot.
Swap to your secondary weapon to take out the next one.
Yun, balik to. Yan, balik na.
Good work. Now toss a grenade to damage or dislodge the next one.
Granada! Patayin sila! Eto na! Boom! Boom, boom, boom.
Basics down.
Ngayon, yun.
Vault over the barrier. It's time for destruction fitting.
Punta natin to. Ano nito? Tapit mili to. Mili. Ano naman tawag yan? Mili o milit? O baka, ano siguro? Mili. Kasali na lang kung ano man. Ito man, hindi pa marunong basa eh. Ito naman
You'll have to crouch to make it through that opening.
Crouch daw, may kukuratsa daw sa ilalim. Ano ba yan? Crouch, hindi couch. Anong couch? Crouch. Soft wall daw. Ito daw sinasabi. Malabo yata ang mata ko. Hindi ko mababasa ito Kaya mga kapatid, magbasahin nyo lang ito kung ano ito.
That soft wall is in your way.
Ayan, soft wall daw.
Blow it apart. Place a breach charge and detonate it.
Place a breach charge. Aba, parang C4 to Tapos, madali lang pala itong trabaho to.
You may want to back up.
Back up daw. Atras tayo. Ay, kung anong mangyari kung malapit. Okay. Fire in the hole! Okay, yan palang kailangan para sabihin. Fire in the hole. So, Aaron naman punta dito. Yun, yung gold yun. Hindi yung Aaron.
Good work, specialist. Now that you know the ropes, we can move on to in-depth training.
Oh my God, good work. Mission accomplished. Yun lang pala. Mission accomplished. Next na naman mission. Balik ko tayo. Salamat po, mga lodi.